How to fix Facebook keep crashing. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook keeps crashing easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, as you can see, and search for Facebook. Click on it, click on storage and click on clear data and clear cache. Go back and then click on force stop and go to the permissions option and enable only the permissions that you want, and then go back. And now all what you have to do is the last step. Go to Play Store and search for Facebook and check if there is a new update. For example, right here I have a new update. All what you have to do is click on it to update it and restart your phone, and Facebook is gonna be working for you as good as it was. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.